Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and initiating the download. Enroll your device in the Apple Beta program and install the beta profile. That allows beta builds to appear. Once done, back up your iPhone to iCloud or create an encrypted Finder backup so you can recover settings. Make sure the device is on Wi-Fi and charged above 50% or plugged in. Now open Settings to prompt the iOS update. The system will find the beta build for download and preparation. You'll now download and prepare the actual beta. Open Settings, go to General, then Software Update. The beta build appears once the profile is active. Tap Download and Install. The system verifies and extracts files. This can take several minutes depending on size and server load. If storage is tight, remove apps or media. The installer will alert you. Make sure the phone stays on Wi-Fi and connected to power so the preparation completes without interruption. Then tap Install when ready. You'll finish by installing and confirming the update succeeded. Tap Install to begin. Your iPhone will reboot, show a progress bar, and complete installation. Don't interrupt it. Once it boots, verify the beta version in Settings General About so you know the build number. Make sure apps and services function. Reauthorize accounts if needed. If the beta causes instability, remove the beta profile and restore from your encrypted backup or use recovery mode. That troubleshooting step returns you to a stable public release.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.